In this video, I'll show you how to track your Cash App card. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so on your mobile device, open the app and log into your credentials. And once you've done that, simply to be able to track your Cash App card, go to the support help, right? So you need to contact the cash support. So how do you do that? Tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, such as this one right here. Select support and select start a chat and send a message. All right. So the reason why you need to contact the cash support is that you need to ask them if the Cash App card has already been dispatched so that they can monitor and track and give you some information about it. All right. So don't be embarrassed about your situation and ask them, and the support team will guide you all throughout the whole process. All right. So reach out to any support representative, and they will be more than glad to help you to track your Cash App card. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.